Yes, I think Brioche is a great trainer. He's very, very knowledgeable. I always can learn more and am actually learning from this training just as it relates to my work. But I have several years of PM experience on the job, so the exam is my primary motive for taking this. And so that I feel like that aligns with the approach that Brioche has taken. So that's working for me. And what else? It's certainly a ton of information, but that's just the way it is, right? And it's 4 days. So I am impressed with how it can all be crammed. As Catherine's saying, there's probably some gaps. So, but I don't see how there wouldn't be. So I think it's been a great training and experience, and I would recommend it to colleagues.